Welcome to another Norwell Edge training snapshot. In this session, we'll discuss the critical equipment that's used to drill for oil and gas. While there's plenty going on beneath the surface during drilling, we're going to focus on the surface equipment that makes up the drilling rig. Rigs are broadly separated into two categories, onshore and offshore. Onshore rigs have to be as portable as possible to allow easy transfer between land-based locations. Offshore rigs have to be stable in the face of ocean forces and overcome the challenges of getting the drill bit to the seabed before drilling can even begin. What all rigs have in common is they need a lot of power, typically ranging from 1,000 to 7,000 horsepower. This power is used to drive the entire drilling operation, turning the bit, raising and lowering the string, and pumping mud through the system. Older rigs were largely mechanically operated, and the engines provided direct drive to the critical drilling systems. Modern rigs, however, use electric and hydraulic systems to achieve more efficient and accurate control. In these modern rigs, the engines are linked to AC generators that send electrical power to critical systems around the rig. One of the most important systems that the engines power is the circulating system. Large triplex mud pumps are used to suck mud from the surface pits and pump it at high pressure down into the well. Depending on the size of the well, 3 mud pumps might have to be run in parallel to meet the circulation needs of the drilling operation. The pumps send mud down the well through the top drive and into the drill string. The top drive is essential for applying rotation to the string and acting as a conduit for drilling mud. Top drives are compact, high-powered motor systems that allow the string to be raised and lowered while both rotating and pumping. In order to raise and lower the top drive, it must be connected to the rig's hoisting system, known as the drawworks. The drawworks is a high-powered drum that reels in and spools out metal drilling line. This multi-thread steel wire rope extends upward from the drawworks to the top of the rig, where it's fed through a series of shivs. This helps to absorb some of the force before travelling back down and connecting to the top drive. Once the bit has started drilling, drilled cuttings are quickly returned to surface where they must be removed from the mud. The solids control system primarily consists of shale shakers, centrifuges, desanders and desilters, all designed to remove solid particles from the drilling fluid. Shale shakers use vibrating screens to remove rock cuttings from the mud, whereas centrifuges, desanders and desilters all use centrifugal force to remove much smaller sizes of particle. Another critical piece of equipment on every rig is a cement unit. Cement units are a system of high-pressure pumps and mixing equipment primarily used to mix and pump cement slurry down into the well. The cement slurry is formed from a mixture of dry bulk cement powder, water and various chemical additives. These are mixed and pumped by the cement unit to secure casing and plug off sections of a well. Cement units are also essential for pressure testing. The highly sensitive pumps allow very small amounts of fluid to be pumped at high pressure, making them ideal for accurate pressure testing. This allows the BOP, wellhead, casing and formation integrity to be tested throughout a well. And the final piece of equipment we'll cover in this video is the blowout preventer system, known as the BOP stack. This is the most important piece of safety equipment installed on a rig. In an emergency, it allows the well to be manually sealed off if well control has been lost. A well control incident can happen at any time, and sealing off the well is not a straightforward operation. Various sizes and shapes of pipe can be in the well, or the well can be empty. As such, BOPs must be configured so that they can always close in around the main sizes of pipe that will be used to drill each section, and in a worst case scenario, can cut through that pipe and form a complete seal. That's all for this Norwell Edge training snapshot. In our next video, we'll be looking at hole sections, casing, and cement. If you enjoyed this, head to our website and discover how you can continue your learning journey with Edge.